Now we will learn what actually a political party is. A political party is a group of the people who come together to contest election and hold power in the government. So a political party is a group of people where the different people from different religion, they come together and they contest election, and if they won the election, their party will come to the power in that particular country, maybe for a certain duration of time. Just like in our India, we have 5 years of duration of any political party. So this is the meaning of a political party. They agree on some policies and program for the society with a view to promote the collective good. So their main objective is to agree on some policies and programs so that they can do the welfare of the society and which can promote the collective goods of the society. That means they will program different policies and schemes through which the normal citizens of a country can be benefited in a large number. Since there can be different views on what it is good for all, parties try to persuade people why their policies are better than others. So the political party, they try to convince the people that why their political parties are much better, or they are far better than the other political parties. They try to convince the people. They seek to implement these policies by winning popular support through elections. So they seek the implementation of the policies which they have promised to the normal citizens of a country by winning the popular support through elections. So through election they win their support. Thus parties reflect fundamental political division in our society. So thus we can say that political parties, it reflect or it helps the fundamental political division in our society. Parties are about a part of the society and thus involve partisanship. So parties are a part of a society, thus we can say that it involves the partisanship. Thus a party is known by which part it stands for, which policy it supports, and whose interest it upholds. So what actually partisanship is? A partisanship is a strong belief or a commitment to a party. Okay, they will tell the normal citizens what actually their party is stand for, and what are the different policies which they support, and what are the interests which they have through which the normal citizens can be benefited. A political party has three components. So the three components of a political party are: the first is leader, the second is the active members, and the third is followers. So the three important components of a political party is leader, active members, and the follower. Please remember it, it is very important. And now what is a partisan? A partisan is a person who is strongly committed in a party or a group or a faction. So a partisan is a people or a person who is strongly committed to a particular party or a group or a belief. Partisanship is marked by a tendency to take a side and inability to take a balanced view on an issue. So partisanship is all about you can say a thinking or a belief which a person have, and that person tries his or her level best to balance the view on any issue. That means they will support the issue, any different types of issue, and they will try to make the people aware what actually that particular issue is all about. So every political party, they have their own partisanship. Just like BJP, they have their own belief. Indian National Congress, they have their own belief. So this is all about a partisanship.